What is cesium? The mysterious metal that can help measure time. Cesium is a fascinating chemical element that looks ordinary at first glance, but it has some extraordinary properties. It is a soft, silvery gold metal that belongs to a group of elements called the alkali metals. Its chemical symbol is Cs, and its atomic number is 55. One of the most surprising things about cesium is its extremely low melting point. Pure cesium melts at around 28.5 degrees Celsius, meaning it can become liquid on a very warm day. Like other alkali metals, it is also highly reactive, especially when it comes into contact with water. But cesium is much more than a strange metal. One of its most important applications is something that affects nearly everyone: measuring time. Cesium is used in atomic clocks, which are among the most accurate clocks ever created. These clocks rely on the incredibly precise frequency of radiation associated with transitions in cesium-133 atoms. In fact, the international definition of the second is based on cesium-133. Scientists use a specific atomic transition in cesium to define exactly how long 1 second lasts. This incredible precision is important for technologies such as GPS, telecommunications, navigation systems, scientific research, and computer networks. Without extremely accurate timing, many modern technologies would not work as reliably. But there is another side to cesium that makes the element especially interesting. Some of its isotopes are radioactive. The most common naturally occurring isotope is cesium-133, which is stable and not radioactive. However, isotopes such as cesium-137 are radioactive and are produced during nuclear fission. Cesium-137 has been used in certain industrial and medical applications, including equipment designed to measure material thickness and other specialized processes. Because radioactive cesium can be hazardous, these sources must be carefully controlled, shielded, stored, and disposed of according to strict safety regulations. Cesium can also be found in specialized chemical applications. Compounds containing cesium have been used in areas such as petroleum drilling, where cesium formate can serve as a dense drilling fluid. Other cesium compounds have applications in chemistry and specialized electronics. So, where does cesium come from? Cesium occurs naturally in small amounts in Earth's crust and is usually obtained from mineral deposits containing cesium-bearing minerals. It is much less abundant than common metals such as iron, aluminum, or copper. Its unusual chemistry makes cesium particularly interesting to scientists. Because it has only one electron in its outermost shell, it readily participates in chemical reactions. This is typical of alkali metals, but cesium is one of the most reactive members of the group. And there is one more fascinating fact. Cesium's name comes from a Latin word associated with sky blue, inspired by the blue spectral lines that helped scientists identify the element when it was discovered in the 19th century. From defining the length of a second to powering highly specialized scientific and industrial technologies, cesium has a surprisingly important role in the modern world. It may be a rare and highly reactive metal, but its atomic properties have helped humanity achieve something extraordinary, measuring time with incredible precision. So the next time you check the time on your phone, remember that behind the accuracy of modern technology is a world of atomic physics, and cesium is one of its most important elements.